to get access this video relevant to how to identify feminine and masculine genders of a words or nouns within a French language. So now we will move into masculine gender or the feminine gender. How generally to identify a masculine and feminine gender, the word which ends with E at the end, we consider this as a feminine gender. The word without any E letter at the end, we consider as a masculine gender. This is the first basic thing. Now we will do check masculine gender. Masculine gender is nothing but without the endings of E at the end of the word, we consider masculine. This is an example. Garçon. Garçon is nothing but a boy. And étudiant, a student. Here the words which doesn't have E endings. So we consider this as a masculine gender. Now we move to feminine gender. Feminine gender, the words which are endings with E. Words are the nouns which ends with E. We consider the feminine gender. Fille, example. Fille is nothing but a girl. Étudiant is nothing but a student. Here the words which are ending with E. So we consider this as a feminine gender. So for masculine gender, we 90% of these are the words we can easily identify at the ending words where we can easily identify this is the masculine gender. Here 95% we for sure we can detect it, like AIRE and ASME, E, EAU, E, ISME, IN, NT, AR. So these are the words, 95% for sure we can identify masculine gender. Now we move to another thing, like feminine gender. In feminine gender, this is 95% how to detect this is the exact feminine gender. So this is the example. ADE and AIS, ON, ANC, AND, ENC, SON, TUR, UD. At the end of any word which ends with this type of words, so for sure 95% it should be a feminine gender. And now we move to another topic, that is singular and plural words, how to detect. Like example, livre, book, livre, which ends with es. Livre is nothing but a book, and we added s, livres, books. So now we move to another topic, capture. At the AU we added x in as singular and plural. Home is nothing but a man, and homes is nothing but a men. So this is how we can easily identify singular and plural words in French grammar. Now we move to another topic, why we uses apostrophe, like j'aime means I like j'aime le fromage French, I like Frenchies. So here am, here J, E, here the vowel, two vowels we consider, we have to remove one vowel. That is the reason we have to use J apostrophe am. We have to use J apostrophe am le fromage français. So this is the example, I like Frenchies. So here we can when two vowels it come across in one word to another, we have to cross check. We have to use J apostrophe instead of them. So this is how. Merci beaucoup.